in dealing with the people there. Absolute pleasure, easy to deal with, very professional, very knowledgeable, very helpful. I haven't got a bad word to say about them, and that is honest. That's fair income. Jim Dunlop, and one of the directors here, and I also manage the administration and finance side of it. The main reason why we first got on to CFO was we were having some major problems with Myob EXO, and there was some huge discrepancies in there, and they really guided us through. Each month they guided us through where we were going wrong in using the accounting package, and helped rectify problems from month to month. So we actually were pulling correct reports out of the system that we were paying for. Since then, we're probably using them more and more to go over our financials each month, double check them, and give us a bit of finance direction and confidence. We probably didn't have the knowledge. Well, I definitely didn't have the knowledge, especially how everything worked in an accounting system. I didn't have enough background knowledge or training to process all that correctly, which caused some massive indiscrepancies, which in turn prompted us to calling outside help. And part of that outside help was finance, and just having an external person look at it from a different angle made a big difference. So rather than actually have someone here or employ someone here, we actually found that having someone outside had a lot more benefit. Also, fairly recently, why we increased is that, especially Brendan's knowledge of manufacturing businesses, that was another key thing that really impressed us with the company, is their ability to advise accounting-wise for a manufacturing plant or company. The experience that we've had since then is we've probably given CFO more scope. We're impressed with their professionalism and attention to detail, especially in the way of accounting technology. It's changed a lot personally because it's taken off some pressure where the figures were kind of in a grey area. They've brought more clarity to it, which has taken the pressure off me. I've got someone that I can trust, that I know has got experience and knowledge to help me through that. Business-wise, what I've found is that looking forward and forecasting and budgeting, what they've done is made it a lot easier to do that. Whereas before, I didn't have the confidence, and I wondered how we were actually going to meet the stuff that we were forecasting and budgeting. But with their guidance, expertise and knowledge, you can actually see results, and they track it as well, which was very important to me. What impressed me was that with Trin in particular, at the end of each month, after all the figures were done, she'd go through and should compare our actuals to the budget and go line by line and actually try and work out. She put the challenge back on me to find out why there was a difference, and as long as we knew what was going on, that was fine. But it was just a clarity and an accountability to actually track the numbers to what we had actually forecast and budgeted.